Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I want to do like a quick what fits into this new bag that I got from Coach. This bag is just so cute and it's tiny, but I think it fits a good amount. Right now I'm actually using my Palm Springs mini over here, but from time to time I like to put contents from here into this, just depending on what I'm kind of doing on the day or stuff like that. So definitely Palm Springs mini fits more than this, but this one still fits a whole lot. So I just want to quickly show you how much it holds. So this is kind of how I have it stuffed right now, and as you can see there's still kind of like some space at the top, and I do have my sunglasses over here. I think you guys have seen this many times. It's the same kind of glasses that I have. And if I want to carry these with me, I can just slide it on the top over here. And I think it should still close. So there it is. It does close. It is kind of tight, but as you can see at the top, like I can still press over here. That means it's not like right up to the top. There's still some space here, so it should be fine. But that's what the bag looks like on the inside. It's got this really nice suede material. I wish you guys could feel this. It's so soft and so nice. I feel so good with it because I feel like it's perfect. It won't damage any of my Louis Vuitton SLGs in there, but it's really nice. And I have done kind of like, I've shown this bag up close in my unboxing videos. If you want to check this bag out up close, then definitely check out my unboxing video. And I think I've done mod shots as well in that video, and I've also done like I've posted a short video with mod shots wearing this bag, so you can check that out too if you're interested. But let's quickly just see what's in here. So the first thing I have in here is my hand cream over here. Then I have keys, of course, and then this is how we are on the inside. So the next thing I have is a lipstick. This is the DIOR lipstick, but it can fit any lipstick pretty much. And then next is my key pouch from Louis Vuitton. You guys know I always carry this one with me. And then I also have a zippy coin purse. Now keep in mind that I am carrying zippy coin purse in here, but if you were to put just like a card case or something, then you would have even more space in here. So there is that. And then last but not the least, actually I have two more things in there, but this is my cell phone that I'm carrying in there. So it fits a cell phone as well. And then this is kind of like the main compartment, but I do have a couple of things in the front slip pocket. So I've just gotten I just have my oil absorbing sheets and a comb. That's pretty much it. And yeah, that's all there is in this bag. It does have a little slip pocket in the bag, but it's very shallow. It's just kind of hard to fit anything in there. I think you could still fit this. There you go. Yeah, so it does fit. So maybe you could put like a panty liner or something in there and it would fit no problem. But that's pretty much all kind of is what I have been carrying. There is everything at a glance if you are interested or if you want to see kind of what fits. But that's everything that was in here. It is a fairly small bag, but it's very good because it fits all those things. And yeah, this is the bag. There's nothing in the back. It's just I mean, no other pocket or anything like that. It does have a good depth, so that always helps. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it was a quick video, but I just wanted to come on here and quickly show you how much this lovely bag from Coach holds, because this is just my recent obsession, to be really honest. I just really love it, and you guys know I love Palm Springs mini as well. This is like my most favorite and my love, you know. Yeah, but that's pretty much all there is for today's video. Thank you so much for watching once again. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for subscribing, which reminds me, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Other than that, I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.